See, just ate too fast, huh? Yeah. What are you doing, video? Say, let me get my finger.
Is she doing it?
Sucking her finger.
Now you want to eat again?
Say, I took a break.
You were done interested in eating, and now you're going to suck on things?
Well, maybe if you suck on your finger, those hiccups